Ellarie here, and today I'm doing you a quarantine makeup style, and it's a voiceover with my lovely daughter, Yoshi. So let's get started. First, you want to blend out your eyebrows, nice and chic. Pluck the top of them, shape them into the shape you want. Do the other eyebrow too, so it can be nice and even. Keep on plucking, and then you smooth it out again. And then you smooth the bottom part. Well, not really smooth. You're using the liner part of the brush now, so you can make it nice and dark. Nice dark eyebrows, but not too dark because you don't want to look like some evil villain, am I right? Keep on doing it until it looks correct. And then you want to color it in and blend it out again. Then add some more black on your eyebrows. Smooth it again. And now that eye's done. Now it's time for this eye. Of course, you're going to try to do the exact same thing so both your eyes are looking good. Black Queen. Now you brush out the brush, and now it's time to put some of this on us. Let's open it up, dab a little on our brush, and let's outline our eyebrows with it. Nice and nicely. This looking okay, I guess, but let's see how she's gonna make it look even better than she looks now. Now you do the top part. Okay, Mommy, okay. You have sharp eyebrows, okay. Then looks like she's blending it out over her eyebrow. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we got our eyelashes on. That's cute, okay. Now we're gonna, oh my goodness, Mother. She is pulling up her baby hairs. Oh my goodness, baby hairs are just so amazing. They make us look so sleek. Gorgeous. They're just so gorgeous. Now we pull up the other side gently. You don't want to mess up those baby hairs. Until we can see every part. Until it's nice and good like that. And now we're going to pull on some Tatcha. She's going to squirt some on her hand and just rub it on her face. This looks like lotion. Is this lotion, I wonder? Might be getting rid of her ashy face. Rub it all around our face. Under the eyes, every single spot you can put it on. And now on the forehead. I think we're done. Oh yeah. Now it's time for some Tarte concealer. I'm gonna rub it under our eyes. Nice and gently. My Yoshi thinks this looks like what you look like when you're a Cherokee. I think she's a little right, but Mommy isn't just no Cherokee person. No. She is the Black Queen of the Cherokee people. She's the Black Chief of all the Cherokee. That's how fly she'd be looking. And now you put just some random stuff up there. Put it around your mouth so you're looking nice and bleak. Now we use this buffer to buff off all the concealer. Rub it in so that way it's all the same and it's all the same color. Don't want to accidentally buff your eye. Then you're gonna have to go to the doctor and said, what did the doctor say? No more buffing out your eye today. Whoa! And now we rub under the eye and up the nose. This is gonna look perfect for our daily quarantine makeup tutorial. Nice. Okay. Dap around in your mouth. Try not to get the lips though, because you can see I'm wearing some nice fly lip gloss. Now the forehead. Dap on the forehead. And now down the nose. Looking nice. Okay. You know, Mommy be doing that extra. She be looking gorgeous. So she gotta buff it out some more. Okay, now it's time for foundation. We rub it with our finger. with one cheek and then one cheek. And then the forehead has a little line. After that, we get our little chin and then a little bit more on our cheeks, you see? And then you use this blender to rub it in again. Once you're done with that cheek, you're gonna get to the forehead. Nice and shake. Okay, her face is looking all nice and clear. Okay, now you gotta dip like on the tip of your neck so it's all clear. And now we're gonna add some of this stuff. What is this powder she's putting under her eye? Interesting indeed. It might be giving her a little shimmer under her eye, but who knows? Oh wait, no, this is baking, of course. Looking fine. Okay, now we get the corners of our nose. Okay, and now it's time for some blush. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, mother, what have you done? That is too dark. You cannot be in these streets with people saying, I thought she was a makeup artist. Why is her powder so dark when her skin isn't that dark? She needs to go back to makeup school. Back to the drawing board she goes. She had to buff that out a little bit. Okay, now that she got that accident over, she's gonna keep on blushing it out. Okay, now we get the top of our baby hairs. Try not to get them brown because we gotta make sure they all blink. Woo! Now we get a little bit more over here. Now you can see you always want to do this type of face with your look, just so it makes the highlight more better. And now you add a teeny tiny bit on this brush, and then you put 2 lines on your nose. I don't want to do this, but it's gonna look good. Because my mommy is the best makeup artist I know. She better than James Charles.
Okay, wait.
Moving on. Now it's time to put on some of this stuff. And she's gonna put this under her eyes, on the nose. We put it on the chin, a little bit more on my side head. Make it all nice. Okay, mommy, okay. I think this tutorial is going pretty well. And now it's time to add some of this, baby. Oh yeah. We put more on our little highlighted cheek and make it nice and pretty. We ain't no child playing with our coloring book. No, my mother is the artist and she's also the art, so she's gonna make herself look gorgeous. Now you put some on the top of your lip and just a little bit of this, just a little. Now oh, well, I think we put too much there. Too much glitter! Is that even a thing? I think in this case, she put too much glitter. That's just sad. But hey, it's still looking good. Oh yeah. Okay, and now let's see what she's doing now. We must be very quiet because she's focused. Because she's outlining her moles. Looking very nice. And now you let it dry with your hand a little bit. Flappity flap flap. And now you brush it out with the brush so it gets that realistic part. Ooh, looking fierce. Now you put some more concealer on your eye. And then you rub it in. That way her concealer on her face matches just as well to her concealer on her eye. On the other eye too. And now for some eyeshadow. Okay. We're gonna use that beige color. It's like a peachy beige. Let's put on the outline of our eye. It won't stand out that much, but it's still gonna give it that little peachy beige shimmer on the top of our eye. You can kind of notice the peachy part, but it just doesn't have the most zing. And now we're gonna pull our little cap on it, whatever she wearing, over her baby hairs. Sorry, baby hairs, but you gotta go now. Oh, she's using some blue. Blue and pink are a pretty good match. Put it on the center of your eye that you didn't put the red peach color on. So that way it has like a bluish pink peach vibe. Don't cover up your peach part too much because it still needs to bring that zing to your eye. Now on the other eye, and then you're gonna put a little bit on the corner bottom. It's just gonna go all the way around so it looks very chic. You guys need to count how many times I said chic on this video. Anyways, let's put it all around the eye. Ooh, right now her eye's looking like an ice skater. I would wear that style when I go ice skating in winter. And now you put a line at the end of your eye. Wait, what is she doing? Oh, I get it. She's putting this line here and connecting it to the end of her eye. I see. See, I catch up on things a little late. Just how I was born. Then you outline it a little more so it's nice and dark. And then you put some dots. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. And then you want to do the exact same thing to this eye. Make sure it looks the same, guys, because you don't want one eye looking all chic and one eye looking all... I can't even say it. I can't say anything that's not chic. You see, personally, I think makeup is just like art. So you're like coloring on your face, but not like in a coloring book, like 3-year-olds coloring in a coloring book. No, it's just like you're the person who made the Mona Lisa. I don't know who that is. Wait, is it Da Vinci something? I don't know. The person who made the Mona Lisa and Starry Night works very hard to put their painting together. And my mother is both of them combined, but instead of painting, she paints on her face with makeup to make the Mona Lisa and Starry Night throw it onto her face. I hope that makes sense. Now it looks like she's brushing out her eyelashes, so they're nice and fabulous. And now you brush that out. And my mother didn't even let me do this because it's a little dangerous for those kids. You do the bottom eyelashes too, but you don't want to poke your eye out. And now we're going to put some spray on us. Okay. Oh. Squirt. Boom. Oh my goodness, now her face is very wet and it's probably going to need to dry a little bit. Okay, and now we're gonna add some powder all around our face, making it nice. Oh, and now we're gonna add our lip gloss. It might be lipstick, but hey, it's a pencil with lip gloss stick. It's a lip gloss stick. That's what we're gonna call it. That's like a vampire blood lipstick. Nice dark red. Oh, and now we add some lip gloss over it. Okay, Mommy, you coming up with a new blend? Okay. Oh, and now we're gonna let her hair fly free. This is probably the last step, I bet. After a long day of beauty styling, gonna let that hair join the party. That black paper helps our edges stay laid so they don't be all frizzy when we take it off. And, oh my goodness, it's stuck. You can do it! You can do it! Oh no. Okay, I think she got it. Beauty mode is on, actually. Wait a second. Beauty mode isn't even on. That's just our glorious, blessed beauty self. Oh, she letting her hair go free. Okay, Black Rapunzel. Okay. Brushing out her glorious hair. Oh, now she put on some earrings. Nice decorations. Some style. Oh, fierce. Oh, some poses. Okay. And then we're done, y'all. What did you guys think of this tutorial? You guys can try it out. I hope you also enjoyed our voiceover. Was it good? Let us know in the comments below. Ooh, oh yeah, that's me. Okay. Looking like my mama. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Little Yoshi.